Are sky-high interest rates making Hawaii homes unaffordable forever? Good question. Hawaii is not the cheapest market. Point blank, it isn't. It's a finite amount of land. There's only so much that can be built. It does not go out of style. Once it's built up, it is built up. You cannot expand the island. It's beautiful. People want to be here. People want to stay here, as well as people want to relocate here. So is it expensive? Yes. Is it unaffordable? That's a relative word. Sky high is relative also. It's not sky high compared to like what some of our parents have bought into. It's sky high compared to the 2s and 3s that we experienced in the COVID bubble. We would never encourage a buyer to get something that wasn't comfortable for them or affordable for them. Even when we get your price point or we get your loan qualifications, they'll tell you what your max qualification is, the most you can absolutely borrow. And that's not what we target. We tell you to target what's the most you can pay a month that keeps you and your family within a comfortable budget. And that is what is affordable to you. So that is different for everyone as the years go on and as prices increase, as things appreciate the way they normally do. It can seem difficult to attain that sort of dream that we all have to stay here, to be here, to own property here, but it is not unaffordable if we plan correctly, if we are educated about the market, if we have a team of real estate professionals who helps guide you. And honestly, if you don't know if you can afford to buy here yet, and even if the answer is no, not right now, we want to get you to yes at some point. So reach out to us. We want to hook you up with the lender. We want you to have those conversations with them. Like, what changes can I be making day to day to make sure that this idea of I cannot afford to have a home in Hawaii, real estate is unaffordable here, I'll never be able to afford a home here. We want to change that mindset for you. I'm going through that change of mindset too, just over the last few years. So we want to help you with that. We want you to change that mindset of like, what do I need to do to make living here and to make owning a home here in Hawaii and staying here affordable? Interest rates are going to be what they are no matter what. They'll be different 5 years from now. They were different 5 years ago. But your personal mindset and what you can do to achieve home ownership, the steps are not going to change. So call us. We can help you with that. We've got a questionnaire for you in the description below. Let us know what your questions are. Somebody, Aiden, myself, Kenny, Derek, somebody from Core Team Hawaii is going to get on and answer these questions. We'll make this a series. You can ask up to one question a day. Our team will put our heads together to get that question answered. But if you're like, hey, one question is not going to cut it, you can't put a one question on a day quota on me, go to the website, fill out the contact form. That's when we can get one-on-one with you, get a little bit more explicit and nuanced with your questions that you may have. But if you're ready to participate in these one questions a day, description box below.